के क्लास में हम बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एनिमल के बारे में जानने वाले हैं। बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट, दैट एनिमल इज वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस इन आवर लाइफ। इट्स अबाउट द काउ। इट्स अबाउट द काउ। सो यहाँ पे क्या है? पालतू पशु। पालतू पशु, गाय, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल काउ। Hindi translation of Hindi is domestic animal cow. See how beautifully dancing the cow here, animated, right? So यहाँ पे I will first say the gist about the lesson. Two boys are discussing. One is Rahul, another one is Rohan. Rahul and Rohan were discussing about the cow. This is about the entire lesson. Let us see here below. What is there here at the down? First Rahul is asking, अरे ये क्या? अरे ये कौन सा पशु खड़ा है? राहुल इज आस्किंग, अरे व्हाट इज द एनिमल इट इज? लाइक दैट राहुल वाज आस्किंग, व्हाट इज द एनिमल स्टैंडिंग हियर? देन रोहन इज आंसरिंग टू हिज क्वेश्चन दैट क्या तुम नहीं जानते यह गाय है? क्या तुम नहीं जानते? डोंट यू नो दिस इज अ काउ? लाइक दैट ही इज आंसरिंग. So once again I repeat. So first Rahul is asking what is this animal, and so Rohan is telling that it is the cow. Now again, because Rahul doesn't know, he was questioning to Rohan. He is asking, गाय, cow, यह हमारा किस काम आती है? बयान पाठ, किस काम हमारे बयान पाठ? What is the uses of this animal? Like that he is asking to that boy. Then Rohan was answering, गाय हमारे बहुत काम आती है. Cow was very much useful for us. गाय हमारे बहुत काम आती है. इसका दूध, see how nicely we are taking out the milk, right? It's a farmer. He is taking out the milk, and see the baby is drinking the milk. And with the milk, what are the things we can make? We can make cheese, butter, curd, and sweets, everything, right? The same thing he is explaining to Rahul. गाय हमारे बहुत काम आते हैं. यह हमें दूध देती है. यह हमें दूध देती है. It is written here down, right? यह हमें दूध देती है. इसका दूध पीकर हम स्वस्थ रहते हैं. After drinking the milk of the cow, we will become very strong, है ना? We will be स्वस्थ, healthy से रहते हैं हम. इस दूध से दही, मक्खन, दादा मटूटा बनाता है. So with that we used to go for the curd, cheese, butter, everything he is telling. और यही नहीं, not only this, यही नहीं, not only this, इसका दूध से, राइट, उपयोग मिठाई है. और एक क्या है? मिठाई. उपयोग मिठाई बना, है ना? मिठाई बनाने के लिए भी दूध यूज करते थे. यूज टू यूज द मिल्क टू प्रिपेयर द स्वीट. सो इसका उपयोग मिठाई बनाने में भी होता है. This is what he is written. So he is telling about the uses of the cow. Next again, because Rahul is asking, गाय क्या केवल घास खाती है? Is that grass is enough for the cow? Is the cow eats only grass? Like that he is asking. Then this Rohan is answering, नहीं, no, गाय घास के अलावा, अदर देन ग्रास, घास के अलावा चना, बादाम, भूसा भी खाती है. It's not only eats the grass, it eat all kind of leafy vegetables and everything he is saying about the food of the cow. इसे भी अच्छे खा, है ना? Because with the cow we are taking the milk, so इसे भी अच्छा खाना मिलना चाहिए, है ना? This is what we have to get the very healthy food for the cow, he is saying, right? It's very nicely eating the grass and hay, right? And उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ही इज आस्किंग, गाय अपने पूंछ से क्या करती है? ही इज आस्किंग, गाय इस गाय की एक पूंछ दिखाई दे रही है। इस गाय की इट हैज ओनली वन टेल। इससे यह क्या करता है? विद दैट टेल व्हाट इट डज? दैट वाज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम राहुल। देन रोहन इज सेइंग दैट गाय अपने पूंछ से, सी हियर, गाय अपने पूंछ से शरीर पर बैठने वाले, शरीर पर शरीर माने बॉडी है ना, शरीर पर बैठने वाले मक्खियों को उड़ाता है। It flies the mosquitoes and all the insects sitting on its body. This is what the work of the tail. He's saying, see how nicely it is doing here and here. So nice, right? उसके बाद next question, क्या गाय एक पालतू पशु है? Is that a domestic animal? He is asking. And so Rohan said, हाँ, गाय एक पालतू पशु है ना? He is saying, see here, हाँ, गाय एक पालतू पशु है। इसके बाद क्या है क्वेश्चन? रोहन, गाय के सिर पर क्या है? रोहन, गाय के सिर पर क्या है? He was asking, है ना? Let me check. गाय के सिर पर क्या है? It is having a two horns, no? He is asking that. गाय के सिर पर क्या है? गाय के सिर पर दो नोकीले, नोकीले माने शार्प, दो नोकीले सिंग है, कुंभ है ना, तमिल में हम कुंभ कहते हैं इसे, जिनसे यह अपनी रक्षा करता है। It uses that कुंभ to protect himself. अरे गाय तो हमारे बहुत काम आती है। Then Rahul understood everything about the cow. Now he is saying that, अरेडा, really cow is very much useful for us, like that he is saying. गाय तो हमारी बहुत काम आती है, इसलिए हमें गाय की सेवा और रक्षा करनी चाहिए। So because it is very much useful for us, we have to take care of that cow. He is saying, रोहन, आज से हम from today on we will promise that, करते हैं कि हम गाय की सेवा, right, सेवा और रक्षा करेंगे, like that both of them used to promise. This is about this story of the cow. Cow is very very important, very holy animal for us Tamiliyargal, right? For Tamiliyargal, cow is very very important. We have a Pongal. In Pongal we have only the Jallikattu, right? It's very very important. We have to protect the cow, right? Now next we'll go for the exercise. So in the exercise, what is there here? Here what is written in exercise? First meaning, right? Meaning what is there? Pashu. First one is pashu. Pashu means animal. Animal को जानवर भी कहते हैं हम हिंदी में. So next इसके नीचे क्या है? भोजन. भोजन को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? और एक खाना भी कहते हैं. भोजन we can say as खाना also. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्या है? पालतू माने डोमेस्टिक. पालतू या डोमेस्टिक, पालने, जो हम पालते हैं, पालने योग्य. We used to grow that, right? That's the meaning of that, domestic. Then रक्षा. रक्षा is protection. प्रोटेक्शन को हम रक्षा कहते हैं. हिफाजत भी कहते हैं हिंदी में. हिफाजत भी कहते हैं, बचाना भी कहते हैं. So meanings are written here, right? The next one, स्वस्थ. स्वस्थ माने हेल्दी. स्वस्थ कह सकते हैं हिंदी में, या तंदुरुस्त कह सकते हैं. स्वस्थ या तंदुरुस्त. Then उपयोग. उपयोग मीन्स यूजफुल, பயன்பாடு. काम में आना, काम में लाना, எப்படி பயன்படுது, how we can apply, that is the meaning of that. Next, so next we will go for the question answers. What is the first question here? Answer the following में. गाय हमें क्या देती है? This was the question. Cow gives us, question answer is milk. गाय हमें क्या देती है? We have to answer that. गाय हमें दूध देती है. We have to answer गाय हमें दूध देती है. What is the second question? In the second question, दूध से क्या क्या बनाते हैं? What are the things we can make it by using the milk? So हमें आंसर कैसा करना है? दूध से हम दही बना सकते हैं, मटर बना सकते हैं, मिठाई बना सकते हैं. So ये सब कुछ बनाते हैं. Answer is that, right? Then the third one, what is the third question? See here, in the third question, गाय क्या क्या चीज खाती है? What are the things cow used to eat? This was the question, right? गाय क्या क्या चीज खाती है? It used to have the grass, gazing at the grass, all kinds of leaves it used to have. So that is what the answer is. It uses the घास, चना सारे खाती है. That you have. Then the fourth question, गाय अपने पूंछ से क्या करते हैं? गाय अपने पूंछ से क्या करते हैं? With its tail, what it does? That was the question. So with its tail, what it does? It tries to take out the flies from his body. Uses of tail is that. Right. Next is the true or false. So here, right, in true or false, first one, what is it? गाय को 4 पैर होते हैं. A cow is having 4 legs. Is it true or false? True. So you have to put a tick. What is the next one? गाय को 4 धन होते हैं. True or false? It has 4 milking items in its body. Is it true? Yes, it is true, because we have 4 and we will get the milk from them. Right? Next, the third one is गाय को 2 आँख होते हैं. Cow is having 2 eyes. Is it true? Yes, it has 2 eyes. So you have to put a tick here. Then the fourth question here down is गाय की पूंछ नहीं होती है. A cow doesn't have a tail. Is it true? No, cow is having the tail. So you have to put a cross in the fourth one. Then let's see the fifth one. In the fifth one, गाय एक जंगली जानवर है. Cow is a wild animal. It is written. So that is also not the truth. Cow is a domestic animal. गाय एक पालतू जानवर. So you have to put a cross here. Right? अच्छा बच्चों, हमने आज cow के बारे में जाना. So we must love all animals, right? In Tamil, in our ancient, right? People said that Pirappokum Yella Uyirkum. It is only in Tamil, not in any other language, right? Because we are in Tamil Nadu, we must love all the animals and all the creatures of the God. Okay, kids, it is the moral for us from this lesson. So what you have to do your work is, you take out your Hindi note and take it to your book, fill the true or false and write the question answer. Okay, bachcho, bye, take care.